guys, today I'm going to cook Chagempomba, Chagempomba, and this is what I boil. First, it is soybean, some green vegetable like cabbage and some local herbs, onion, something also. I first whistle it for 3 to 5 times because it was dry soybean, fermented soybean. So this is, I'm going to fry this, and after frying this I'll add this boiled cooked one. So let's see what's the process. This is the view, it's raining here. So the oil is fully cooked. I see the smoke in it. First I have to fry the onions. After that I put garlic. Spring onion leaf. So I'm going to add some jeera powder. Now I'm going to put this cooked one. It seems good, I think. Like I can feel the smell of fermented soybean. We notice people love soybean very much because we basically eat fermented fish, fermented bamboo shoots and all. That's why. So I'm adding some ginger and some stinky bean. Oh, it's sting bean. Human error. So I have to add some turmeric powder so the curry will look better, so that I can't put that much because here the turmeric powder is very good. Adding some chili powder. It's looking good now. Isn't it? It changes the color. think I should put some more turmeric powder, like little, not much. Okay. Oh, it's finally changing some color. Yeah. All about the taste. So this one is popcorn, best ingredient for Chagempomba. I brought it fresh, but it took some time that I was sick, so I can't cook this curry. That's why it's getting dry and like a bunch. It wasted, and I still can get it this much, so I'm going to add this one also. So after putting this, we can give for like 1 minute. Then after that we can turn off the stove because it's already cooked. I can feel the smell. It's very nice.